Welcome to Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. Well, we are wrapping up building block number 1, accept, which is your where. This is your vision of where you want your fitness and health to take you. Visualization is so powerful because it helps you to achieve your goals by conditioning you for success. Now, athletes who visualize a successful competition actually stimulate the same regions in their brain as they do when they physically perform the same action. So I want you to think of visualization as your pre-game mental rehearsal. Now look, I know it sounds too good to be true, but the effects are real. Studies have shown that visualization can benefit you with your mental state as well by helping you decrease your nerves and anxiety. By visualizing a successful outcome will allow you to have already been there and see yourself performing the way that you want to. And because this practice of visualization is so impactful, we include it in building block number 1, accept. So this week, I'm going to challenge you to identify where you want your fitness and health to take you, and then visualize that outcome. Now, another great tip is for you to create a vision board. This brings your vision to life by giving you a physical representation as to where you want your journey to lead you. Well, that is your Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild a healthy lifestyle. You know what you need to do in case you want to catch our next episode, and that is to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, which I will see you in the next episode. Take care.